Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Tawakal. I can call me Akal. And today I will be sharing with you what a typical day looks like for me as I silat athlete. As an athlete, my daily routine is filled with intense physical training, mental preparation, and focus on maintaining my health. From early morning workouts to competition, I strive to give my best both in the dojo and in life. Let me take you through my day. Every day as a silat athlete is filled with rigorous training and maintaining physical and mental balance. My day starts early with intense physical training where I physical where I prescribe prescriptions movements like punches, kicks, and combination with my training partner. We we use pro protective gear like hand guard and for good to ensure safety. Uh, After training, I focus on nutrition by having foods as b- bananas, apples, and oranges. The hair, the haze, fruit, fruit, fruits provide essential vitamins and carbohydrates to replenish my energy, and I must recovery. Hydration is also key, so I drink plenty of water throughout throughout the day. In addition to physical training, I dedicate time to mental preparation. I practice con- concentration and focus to stay calm and confident during competitions. I also visualize strategies to face me opponents in upcoming matches. Later, I continue with strength and endurance exercises, follow, follow, followed by a nutrition meal that in, includes fruits and other healthy foods to maintain my energy levels. Rest is crucial, so I give my body time to recover. In the afternoon, I partic- participate in competition, testing my skills and applying everything I feel learned in training. Afterward, Afterward, I analyze videos of the match with my coach to identify area for improvement. Improvement. Being a silat athlete requires discipline, dedication, and balance. It's not just about physical strength but also maintaining mental focus and proper nutrition to perform at my best. in con- consul-